This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Vivian Lugo CDPE, MBA. Beautiful townhouse with most unique floor plan in a beautiful lush garden setting, surrounded by mature trees, water and quaint bridges. Cathedral ceilings and arched windows offers lots of natural light. 2 master suites, 1 on each floor. Large loft which can be used as a den or office. Plenty of outdoor area, for grilling and enjoying the natural surroundings. Detached 1-car garage. Huntington is a charming community in Walden Oaks, North Naples, with beautiful mature landscaping and peaceful lake views. Walden Oaks has a large island resort-style pool, tennis and pickleball courts, 4 lakes with lots of areas for walking and biking. This home is perfect as a second home or for the first home buyer. Great location, minutes to Vanderbilt Beach, Mercato and downtown Naples. One of the best school districts in Naples. And low HOA fees. For more information, review the details below.